Hi everybody, it's my turn to pack. But in my case, we always unpack the backpack. And I'll be honest with you, I've been working on this all week, so some of this might be just as much a surprise to me as it is to you. So I am packing in the Osprey Fairview 40. I went up 10 liters in my backpack, and I decided that I was going to shove this thing full until I couldn't fit another thing in it. That mission I accomplished for sure. So let's find out what I've packed in here. All right, so keep in mind, we're going for about 5 weeks through the Philippines. And let's see, there's nothing in there. Let's go to this pocket. I know there's stuff in here. Oh, beach hat. So I'm pretty impressed with this hat, you guys. This is from Madewell, and I practice smushing this hat into this backpack because I don't want the sun on my face. I want to have this with me at all times. So, and you can see, it did just great, right? So let's put that over there. And then the only other thing that I have in this pocket are my adapters, my cords, adapter for another thing I'm going to tell you about in just a minute. Okay, so that's all that's in that pack, or that pocket, I should say. Let me find it. Okay, right here. All right, this is where all the meat is. All right, I can't get anything else in here, y'all. I would have loved to have been able to pack a pair of wedges or a pair of heels, but there just wasn't room. So in here, packing cube, I have a cute little pair of flats, pair of flip-flops, and then like a dressy pair of flip-flops, right? So let's put this over here. All right, I've got my makeup all in here. This bag is all the stuff that just stuff. My electric toothbrush, a bath loofah, combs, and all that kind of stuff. I want to tell you about this too, so I'm going to take that out. So I'm going to put that here. I've got a Lululemon shirt that's super lightweight but long sleeved to be able to keep the sun off of me. I'm going to put these over here in my favorite articles to take with you. I have a little beach cover up. I've got 4 just, little tops to wear at night, just to dress up a pair of shorts or a pair of jeans. And listen, for all of you guys that know how to pack in a packing cube, I would love a lesson because I tried and I just couldn't do it. I know a lot of you love them, but I just couldn't figure it out. All right, I've got a hairbrush and I have an adaptable flat iron, which I also know how to use as a curling iron. So we're going to put that over there. And again, this is the variable right here. This is my little quart bag. And let me just talk about this for a second. This is so important to me that if I couldn't have fit everything in here that is, I would have checked this bag. Game over. So I have started on this Lifeline skincare from Aesthetic Clinique, and they have these little travel sizes that you can go and buy. So they come like this, all right? And I got really excited and ripped it open, tried to put it back. But you've got your day, your night, and your eye. Boom. I think that I probably have way too many in here, but like I said, this was the variable. So I've got all of my other stuff done. All right, let's get on with the clothes. I'm not going to go through all of these. I've got a little dress. I've got shorts. I've got more shorts and tops. I've got about 7 outfits in here. All of my Lululemon wear. This is important in case we go canyoneering or something like that. I don't want to wear a bikini to jump off of a cliff. So I know this is going to dry and keep me modest. I brought 1 pair of jeans rather than the 17 jillion that I brought last time. This is one thing that I missed from the last time we traveled. I didn't bring any sweatpants or any just like lounge wear. So I brought my favorite pair of Lululemon sweatpants, unmentionables, and bathing suits. Again, the packing cube thing, I don't know how you guys do it. Pair of yoga pants and a ball hat. I probably will switch out that ball hat, so for any of you that kind of call me on it and say I didn't see that in the video, I'm going to be switching that hat out. All right, I've got a rash guard from my friends at YOLO. Put that there. Full disclosure, I have another one coming so that I have 2 rash guards. I've got a cute little dress that I can dress up for a special night or whatever. Just like Mike, I've got my towel. And I've got my little water shoes. So if I lay all this out on the counter, you guys, that's a lot. That's a lot. And I'll tell you, this pack weighs 25 pounds. And it's not that bad. So I do want to take a second. I've already talked about all this to tell you about some of my tried and true favorite travel items. Number 1, topping the list, are anatomy pants. They are really, really worth their salt. We wore these pants when we were ATVing in Cambodia. I was covered in red mud dust. Washed them out in the sink, took a nap, put these on to go to dinner. So they are always coming with me. Plus they are so comfortable. Truly. And if y'all have any more questions about those, you can inbox me or whatever. And this little shirt that I have on is also from Anatomy. Super cute. I'll probably wear this on the airplane to go over. These are Lululemon Align pants and my Anatomy shirt. And this guy, I don't know if you guys remember from last year, this is my Live Freely wrap from Lululemon. I don't know if they still make this or not. I hope for you that they do, but you can kind of put it on, wear it as a shawl. If you're cold, keep your the shoulders covered, and also use it as a blanket. It really came in handy. The shoes that I also have on are Rothy's. I just thought that I would use this pair. These are recycled shoes. I don't know if you guys remember seeing these all over Facebook about this time last year, but I like the recycled aspect of it, and I now own 3 pairs of them. So I want to make sure that I'm taking those. I'm just not going to take the light ones because of the color. So this is also one of my favorite little things. This is a face cleansing brush, and I chose to get this in silicone, number 1, because I can really sanitize it when we travel. And for some reason in this part of the world, like face cloths are not a thing. And I got really tired of wetting my bath towel and junking it up, getting my makeup off. So I made that a priority. This is a little fun find too. Number 1, I just put this pop socket on here. Y'all, I had no idea how I have ever lived without these things. So this is a Lumi case. We used this last year a lot. And for people that love to take a selfie, it lights you up, so you're always in the perfect light. I am not a selfie taker, but I would love to take a picture of you or a video of you. And so it lights, but it doesn't drown you out, nor the background. It just illuminates everything. It's so weird, but I now take it every time I go out, or definitely when I travel, because it proved itself. You guys, that's all I've got. Oh, no, I forgot one thing. All right, I'm really excited about this too, but my nails are pretty janky, so I'm gonna show it to you like this. How awesome is this ring? Okay, well, what's so special about it, you might ask? Well, you guys, this is a fitness device. This is by Motiv, M-O-T-I-V. Look them up. This thing tracks your running, your workouts, your walking, your sleep, other activities. It all downloads on an app to your phone, and it's waterproof to 165 feet, which I thought was really super important given the fact that we're going to be snorkeling so much. We don't dive, but we'll be swimming. I mean, you know. So check this out. It comes in 3 different colors, and I've thoroughly enjoyed wearing it. And Mike is wearing it as his wedding ring right now, which I think is kind of cute. So, once again, I did it. I don't doubt myself anymore. Now the name of the game is how much can I bring with me? And did I overpack? You betcha.